Vice Chancellor of the Dr. Hilaire Liman Technical University, DHLT, Professor Elias Sowley, painted a mental picture to the participants on what to expect, urging them not to lower their expectations.
So what I'm saying is that don't get deceived by the environment. It is what goes on here. The certificate that you will get, which will enable you to get a job that matters. And we are capable of giving you that. We are capable of giving you the skills that you need. We have all the programs that you need here. Engineering, various types of engineering programs. As I said, few facilities, but they are dense. There's a lot of things inside. You go to the workshop, you see a lot of machines. Some of the machines we have here are not found in the older universities. Ultra modern facilities sitting there. So don't just be deceived by the few buildings you are seeing. There's a lot going on.
The Maiden Open Day program of the DHLT is being organized by the Directorate of Technical and Vocational Training of the University under the auspices of the Commission for Technical and Vocational Education and Training, TVET. Dr. Martin Donani is the Director of TVET at DHLT.
The idea of TVET is industrialization. Our motto is TVET for industrialization. The whole purpose is you get trained and you move into the industry. You don't queue up for job applications. You create a job and you employ all others. So there's great hope for TVET prospects.
The program affords the participants, majority of whom drawn from TVET institutions in the region, including the Kelio's and Basel's Technical and Vocational Institute, to learn and acquaint themselves with the programs that are offered at the university. By so doing, it will therefore give them a clearer view, understanding, and a guide to the selection of the programs they want to pursue in future, and seeing DHLT as the university that can propel them to achieve their dream. They were conducted around the various exhibition centers and fed with the needed information about the items on display.
I'm in the person of Bashir Abdul Fattah, and so in terms of our project works, usually we have architecture and engineering drawings, and this is a three-story, single-story building. We have the various floor plan, we have the sections, the elevations, and those of the roofing drawings. We start by taking when you come into this institution, we take you through the manual way of doing it. Then from the manual way, we upgrade you into the software aspect of it. There is an AutoCAD drawing. From this drafted work, we now brought it into a software program. Then from the software, the only way you can visualize it is by bringing you this. And you can all see how marvelous this is. Okay, so when you are standing in front of this building, it's because of we, the civil engineers, that you are in here.
A raincoat is made from sachet pure water rubber, the waste one. So nowadays the waste around our towns and cities are becoming. So instead of us throwing them away, we decided to come out with something meaningful. And instead of us going to buy from the market like those fabric, we decided to use the waste. And then with this, then the waste on the roadside will be reduced.
And be moving it. And I don't know, the seeds will be separated just like what they use the pot. The seeds, the whatever seeds from the cells, the cotyledon. No, when you boil the seeds or when you cook them, you have to now have to separate the cells from the seeds itself. So the local woman will use a pot like this with sand inside there. Yeah, so instead of using this one and bending down, then you rather pour inside here with water here. Then the woman will just stand and be moving here and the seeds will be separated. So this is fabricated by us at the department.
Some of the students share their thoughts on the open day.
I'm in fashion department. When I came, I could see a whole lot about my department, and even if I'm to learn hard, I can come here and do other things to build up my career.
I have also learned and I've seen things, marvelous things. I've seen that even if you come here, and you will not depend on government to employ you again, because this alone can make you earn living. And I've also seen a lot of things that they've made out of plastic waste, because nowadays the waste is too much in the country, and now I've seen that they can use it to make something beneficial to the country.
Reporting for Joy News, Rafik Salam. Wow.